We are partnering together with the county governments. We, as you saw in the morning today, I flagged off 60 water tanks for harvesting, that which goes to 14 counties in Kenya. So we've been partnering with counties to make sure that the flood victims and the rain, when it comes, we make use of the rain as well as support the flood victims, because there is which the government is trying. Our government is doing a very good job, but also the private sector needs to support our stakeholders. And for this, I really appreciate the betting companies for coming to the aid of our fellow Kenyans.
Power Kenya, and we are here today at Movoko location, where we are initiating one of our CSR campaigns, where we give back to the community by giving food aid to the people of Movoko and also at the river. So this will target the people who have been affected, the victims of floods, and in partnership with the gaming board Bclb, with the chair lady Jane Macau, we were able to target these families and households which were affected. And today we'll be handing over food. We have different food supplies, cooking oil, to rice, to sugar, and many others. In addition to that, earlier today, we were also flagging off 60 water tanks, 5-liter tanks, to which will go and support 14 counties.
Haya, tuendelee kupiga makofi hadi zisonge. Thank you. Haya, Thirikari